I've got Vernee Apollo Lite, and let me show you how to add fingerprint on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and pick security, and then go to fingerprint. And if you would like to unlock your device with fingerprint, smoothly click on continue. And now click on setup screen lock. And at first you have to pick some backup method of unlocking the device, and it can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern. And now just draw the unlock pattern. It can be L letter. Do it one more time. And then tap on continue. And let's draw it again. And click on confirm. And finally decide if you would like to see all notifications content once your device is locked, if you would like to hide sensitive one, or if you want to see them at all. And let me choose the middle option, click on done. And now it's time to find the sensor, which is on the back cover, right here. And just click on next here to start the process. And now just keep tapping. You'll feel the vibration. And let me show it to you this way. Once you will be adding the fingerprint, you'll see the progress right here. So smoothly add the different parts of your fingerprint, and within a couple of seconds you will be able to unlock your device with it. So this is it. As you can see, fingerprint has been added. Click on done. And from now on you will be able to unlock your phone with this fingerprint only. Smoothly touch the sensor and now it has been unlocked. And also if you will give your phone to somebody, he or she will be able to unlock it with this L letter, this pattern. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can add fingerprint to your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.